our goal should be to make a game with that.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, then let me also let it work right now. That I
Yeah,
can
let you set it up also so it works. I'm just gonna like
Yeah.
change out my build script.
Yeah,
right now,
and in this time you can also, like, if you want, experiment like to use other message box types. So maybe when I
No,
run, like,
I won't do anything else. Like, I'll just have the message box, and when you have a message box, then we begin, okay? But I'm just gonna do some setup stuff.
yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so cursed, Harold. And I like it.
Okay.
It'll be so cursed that you
Yo,
like
Damon, what have you been cooking?
Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing. I'm not
is
cooking
that
nothing.
water?
Water?
Water. I love water.
I was
like
water once.
When is the grass simulation coming?
You loved water once, right?
Hello, Peppa.
Yeah, they put me in a swimming pool.
They put me
A
in a
swimming
submarine.
A submarine. With a PlayStation controller, perhaps.
And PlayStation controllers makes me go crazy. Make me go water. Water?
Yes.
I've had water once.
What?
They locked me in a submarine, and the submarine had a PlayStation controller, and PlayStation controller makes me go water. Water? I liked water once.
That's crazy. I was crazy once. They put me in a swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
A swimming pool full of rats.
Yes. It made me drown.
What's up, pig?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Damn, can you see my terminal background picture, T-Chef?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, need to go
Exactly.
into stream. Okay, yeah.
Like the background
Hmm.
image? Like the image, not the particles.
No, I can't. It's just dark.
You can't see that? You can't see the B there? And then the O? And then the W? And then the M? And then the
No.
A?
No,
You
I
can't see
can't.
that?
No.
Damn. Here, hold up. Where are we?
Alright, Harold.
How about
Yes.
now? Can you see it?
Did you do any
Huh?
commits pushes for the thingy?
Oh,
I did push
yeah.
my branch, the OpenGL
Jeez.
branch.
That's my terminal background.
Guys, look at Damon's stream, bro. This is
Yeah,
not
it's
real.
great.
What are you talking about? It's the best thing I've ever seen. Look at the animations coming.
You need to make some fireworks or something like that.
That's fireworks.
I can't see
Could be
your
cooler,
stream,
but-
bro.
Yes.
Okay, Harold, I think I got it that I can include Windows.h for me.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, I'm hacking the mainframe, boys.
Alright. So...
Yeah.
Oh,
All
yeah,
right.
we don't need
Oh.
this. Hell yeah, OpenGL. No. To begin with, it will be OpenGL, but we will go to Vulkan as soon as possible. We're just using it to get started, see that we can connect shit and whatnot. Hello, Zig. What's up, Tuan? Let's see. What was I supposed to do? I was supposed to take a few steps back to here. Should we get this repo and try to run it and see if we can?
You can try.
And if you can get this one to work.
You like that, Harold?
Let's see that.
But yeah, I love it. I love it.
Whoa. That was not the I was supposed to.
Murder, murder, murder.
All right, let's see. Oh, what?
Hey, yo!
Open, and we're gonna take others. This one, this trust, and then just go in there, and then Zig build. Let's see, what does it do if I just build run it? It's pulling 0.14. Let's see, what do we have in here? What does the build say? Freestanding.
Harold, I need to help my sister real quick with their animals. I will be back in like 5 minutes, okay?
That's fine.
Also, I got it working with a message box, like,
Okay.
so that we could.
Yeah, but
figure out the
I
stuff.
will
Yeah,
begin
yeah.
when you're
Be
done.
right back.
Wait a minute. Does it do? No, it just generates for. This is for the server side, right? Expected found spacetime 115. Expected type I found U32 or F32. F32. Where does time come from? It comes in like this. Where do we call crate from? We call crate from here. Time comes in here as an interval. I'm making an assumption that it's probably preferred to be that, then it's better to probably change this to a cast.
There you go. Now my stream looks Giga Chad.
It always did.
Now check a look. Take a look.
Yo, he's hacking
Wait.
into the mainframes.
Giga Chad.
This is wait, no, I'm thinking wrong. Because it should actually be to an int from float, bruh.
Yo, Lucas.
Yeah.
Damn, you gotta have your stream look like this. Look, check out
Just
mine
a
real quick.
sec. Yeah. Where's the OpenGL, or is it still early? It's still early. What do you have on your stream? I don't see your stream. It only loads for me all the time. Ah, now I see.
Damn, because I'm so
Yo.
fucking. I got it on like max quality. Yeah, it'll keep those people with ADHD occupied. You know, they got that
True.
like small video of a car doing some loop-de-loops in the bottom.
For real. Let's see, what's now the issue? Failure is unable to execute binary from target. Bottom freestanding none. Right.
All right, stop watching it so you don't lose so much frames, so much buffering.
Yeah, true. Well, whatever. The target.
Discord's expensive.
Wasn't 32 freestanding. I don't know. Let's see. That do wrong. The target.
Lucas, are you naming your enums uppercase? Damn, you're filling them, I mean. God
What?
damn it.
This is not my project.
I left you for 5 seconds. What the hell?
This is not my
Oh, right,
project.
true.
Going back.
Yeah, I actually saw this also.
Welcome
Yeah,
back.
I actually saw this when I was reading it also.
Thanks, thanks.
She's like, it's not him, it's the other guy who made this library who's shit.
Have you thought of
And it's like,
streaming
used
playing
in
games?
the old
No.
times.
Or yeah, I have, but I'm not going to.
Hey, we streamed Muck that one
Wait,
time.
wait.
I
Oh, yeah.
remember that.
And I also stream Logic
Lucas,
Worlds.
what am I seeing in your stream there?
What?
That was their first ever stream.
Yeah, true.
I remember
Also,
we were
Lucas, can you
playing
please
Muck,
rename
and then
them?
I spent like 10 minutes fighting this boss, like, you know, with my shitty weapon and armor, and then Lucas just comes over and just one hit, like, gets the last hit in and takes my
Yeah,
weapon.
because Lucas had the best sword ever. But like I
That's
still
because
was
you
better.
spawned the seed that had the chest for him.
Yeah, bro.
It was meant for me to get it, not him.
I don't know, man. It was
See?
pretty.
Wait, Lucas, what's in your stream there?
What's in my
Is it a
stream? Where?
SpacetimeDB Zig binding?
Yeah, also Lucas, please
Yes.
rename the enums, okay? Please.
Wait. I
fields
just need
of
to
the
get
enums
it.
should
I
be
just need to
developed.
get it run before I even rename anything. What's
No,
the?
you need it. You need pretty. You need to be nice.
No. Where's the
Please,
damn?
from
What is the
Millennials.
damn command
Okay.
to compile? Like, am I compiling
For
it
me
wrong?
and cheesecake.
I think I'm compiling it wrong.
Not with
What
my
are you trying
compiler.
to compile?
Compile with my fucking
Compile with my
compiler.
compiler, Terry? What?
Hey yo. Technically, you are a gamer stream.
Yeah,
Turn
you need
a
to
game dev.
satisfy the SIG gods.
Technically. But wait. What is the thing is that the following build can fail with exit code. Oh. Isn't this how you're supposed to build for WASM? SIG version invalid B target. Is it just the fuck? I know it's something like this. No, then it dash D target, like so. No? Access help menu, I'm doing something wrong. Unrecognized. Bruh. Invalid option. What the fuck? It should be free standing.
Harold, 1 hour is
I'm-
crazy, but okay.
I'm pretty
it's
damn
great.
sure that
Okay,
should
okay.
be it. Freestanding wasn't 32. Freestanding wasn't.
Wait, you can't even set the position of a message box?
Nuh-uh. So good luck. I'm gonna research also.
Windows message box. Okay, let's see. Handle? No. Okay, I see.
Clones. Ah,
Type. Okay, so the type.
there's an
See.
SH script as well. Maybe I should have run that. Bruh. It's okay. I'm not the smartest. The
Wait,
fuck is-
Harold, wait.
Is it Jeff?
Are we only limiting ourselves to message boxes, right?
No. Anything. You're free to do anything with the Windows API.
Okay, seems to set up the server.
Okay, will you use other things than a message box?
Probably.
Wait, but you're not gonna use like a window and then draw to it and then like we have.
No. No standard Windows we can say. Okay. Just like message boxes or other.
Well, I will.
garbage.
What I just need to do is a little bit of research. Wait.
Me too.
First of all, I gotta fix my make file.
I mean, it got the spacetime up and running, so I guess that's pretty good, but yeah.
But it annoys me so hard, Harold, that I don't have LSP for this.
Yeah, that sucks. Time. But there is a Windows header. You can probably just find it online and copy paste it.
Good point.
I should do that also.
Hello, WhaleTech07. Let's see. PlanetaryZig. So, what do we have so far? I'm just gonna open it. I don't know, I think it's just too much work trying to figure out all of this right now. I'm more concerned about just getting something there. But I still need to think a little bit about how to go about it. Just messing with Windows XP. Damn. Poor Windows XP getting messed up with.
Damn, XP, that's so old. Brings back some memories. You guys might be too young to not. Yeah, probably are, to be honest.
I used
Yeah.
Windows XP at a friend's house once.
You say you say the words XP and you just think it's like whatever, just right over your head.
I think I have a header.
I probably won't need it though.
I will definitely need it because, like, okay, I guess I could do the. Nah, I will need it.
Wait, did
Yo, Harold.
Yes.
Can you turn text to speech on for the chat?
For the chat? You mean with ChatGPT? What?
No.
Harold, I won't look into your stream, okay? So it's like.
satisfy
There's
the
a
stream
server
god?
setting for
What do
like
you mean?
fucking turning on TTS.
What?
Uh-oh. Don't
Yeah,
do
you
that.
can do so. You can do /TTS.
No, stop. We're not doing that. Zigma.
Not there.
No, we're doing Sigma with a Z.
Oh.
Anyways, so
Also, if AI is allowed, I would say.
Yeah.
Sigma.
Oh, I'm right now trying to find the right Windows setup. Windows.h. This. Why is it showing us an error, bro? What?
Let's see. Wow, it's loading until tomorrow.
No, I think my headers might be outdated.
Damn.
Oh, last. No, wait. Where can I find the
God
window
damn.
header files?
Fireship's talking about NAN now. I've already like fucking blown through it.
NEA?
NAN. That's the thing that I was using to answer my emails.
Ah. Nan. Not the number.
You know what? I don't care about the Windows headers.
What? I need to figure out why I don't see like Rust. I have Rust this thing installed, but yet I don't see any LSP for Rust, which is so strange. I would really like to have that. But we'll see. Okay. So I don't even want to touch the OpenGL, bro. Whoa.
Bro, you don't even need to. For a cube, you can just. Can you use. Okay, now I guess you can't use Legacy OpenGL.
You can. You can make your own shaders.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I'm so speed running.
Install
Fucking
in legacy
documentation
update.
reading.
Du- 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 du.
Device console.
Reducer function is traverses and updates the database. Each reduce call runs in its own transaction and it's
Okay,
updated to the
okay.
database and reducer turned successfully in trust. Reducers are defined.
Harold probably knows what he's doing, bro.
I don't.
Ah.
I have Rust project structure. Okay, so create an enter director. So I'm just gonna do. I don't know. Let's see, what do we have here? I'm gonna make a dir and call it space time. Right. Like so. Now create server. Your model runs statement in lang
Yeah.
Rust.
That's good. Next window.
Let's see. I'm just gonna do -h. Let's see what it says. So yeah, it only has for Rust. Sadly. But yeah, we're gonna init a space-time init lang Rust here. Successfully created. Yes. So how to compile. Import. You cannot use traditional build booster module. Keeping this in mind when using the
I
IDE
know.
that assumes using cargo for building above space-time. CD server build. Space-time build. That's not how it's gonna build. Okay. Declare import. Space-time unit should have a pre-populated with the trivial module. Clear it out so we can write new simple modular bare bones chat servers to the top. Import from. Okay, let's see. There should be a server. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, nice. Now I can actually open this. We have space-time. Yeah, okay, good. Server, librc. Yes, don't really. This is actually all I care about, to see that I can even get something running. Store two kinds of data, information about user. They do. What do they just have a person string? They store the identity. I just have person string table.
Okay.
Let's see, identity connect. Called every time a client. I don't really care. And then a add, but I don't call that anywhere, so we'll see about that. Don't care about that. Set usernames. We want to allow users, because no, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. Don't really care about this either. Start the server. Space-time start. Publish. Project server. Quick start chat. And that's all for our module. We can run space-time publish to compile our module and publish it to space-time take a name which will map to the database.
Oh, Harold, I'm not sure if
identity.
that is a window that I'm using. Like, that if it counts as a normal window that I'm using.
What is it?
Games are
Can I look at your stream? I want to steal your secret.
No, don't. But
Okay, I won't.
I mean, just that, you know, maybe I'm using, like, it counts as a normal window.
No, if you don't use the like create window function, it's fine.
Yeah, it's like create window ex, so it's.
Oh, okay. Well, then you're creating a new window. Yeah.
Yeah, it counts as a new window, right?
Yes.
I'm just gonna call it Sigma. Invalid character in database name, bruh. Sigma. Project but does not bruh. Wait, but I should be inside the server. Okay. Okay, now I see. So
Okay.
Then
No
you
idea,
can
no
use
idea, no idea.
command line command interface to run producers. Calls and measure hello words once we. But I didn't start. Can I still do that? That's weird. Whoa, it went somewhere. Yeah, crazy. Sigma. Nice. That's true, we don't have a, we just have say hello. And then we don't really take in a argument, so we're just gonna say hello. Say hello. Spacetime calls Sigma hello warning. This command is unstable and subject to break changes. Well, that's crazy. Then
I think this is just a vibe coding competition at this point.
Yeah.
Logs Sigma. There is a say hello, and then I can do another one. And boom, there's two of them. That's crazy. So once we have called let's see. SQL Sigma query. What can I do? Dash H. Can I just get the information about like show all tables? Bruh. Okay, well that one is loading until tomorrow. Okay, this one is also loading until tomorrow. How can I see all tables? That's a crazy answer. Show tables. We can try that. Show tables. Nah, that's not. Okay, wait. What the fuck? There has to be a way to just.
Harold, I think what I would have would be so cool, but it doesn't work with wine. But yeah.
Spacetime table list. Spacetime table list. The table. Tables. Interactive menus, performing these actions, nickname, host, yes. Select. Show.
There is already gone 40 minutes. I mean 20 minutes.
Oh,
My
this
bad.
is so insane, bro. I'm not even sure what I want to do, I'm just testing stuff out.
Same.
The command line client for the command line client, the module created in Rust or
Jeff, I'm just gonna abandon everything except message boxes, and I would advise that you do the same, because it's gonna be a lot easier to do something else.
So we only wanna. Okay. Let's only
Like
use message.
you can use other things. I'd advise you. And also the type thing for message book. I'm gonna tell you, there's like different types. There's like okay, yes
Yeah,
or
I know.
no, string.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
I didn't know about that.
Oh, I know what this A was. I watched a video. Okay.
Should initialize through a lower prong.
But the thing is, you can't move message boxes. Like,
Okay.
wait, this actually makes them. Okay. Wait, back to documentation.
Yeah.
Oops,
Oops. That's
my bad.
That's not what we like to hear.
Yo, what the? Yo, bro. Wait, I will just look into. Wait, I will look into my stream.
I will write the
Oh.
Vulkan from scratch.
What did he
Probably
do?
use some
Damn.
old project that I have done before.
What did
Alright,
you
look at the
do?
errors. Look at the
but,
errors.
What the?
That's a big
fuck?
error.
as reference, but let's see.
That's a big
That's
error.
a big error.
Let's see. Ein Tommel.
Why though? Or maybe it doesn't work.
Make sure
with
you
this.
depend on the same
The fuck?
SDK as
Somebody
it's supported.
fucking rolled up into a church and burned it.
And that's crazy.
Yo, Harold, I think
Uh,
I messed something up. I can't run
Oh,
applications right now.
what is the SDK?
wait, what? Should we pause the time?
Yeah. Wait a sec.
We'll complain later on if it's incompatible. And just clean it.
Yeah, pause it.
Well, that's not too bad.
Wait, why? It worked before with the exact same code.
Let's see.
Wait, I'll try to help you.
Doesn't matter where
Like,
it is.
it's just. Yeah, it's probably my compiler, but
Ah,
it
okay, so
works.
just-
Like. Oh.
There. Bindings, boom. And then generate Rust client bindings server path. Oh my god.
Wait, I will just
don't think
restart.
it will do.
Yeah,
especially.
yes.
Like so.
Oh,
so now we
what?
should have...
Wait, stop it at some point and just look at the error.
Oh, hey, it
There's something
included.
on the phone.
Oh, nah, bro, it included something. My ESP automatically included. Wait, because
Oh,
I
shit.
got those. Yeah, bro.
That sucks. Wait, run it down.
Yeah,
See if
it
it's working.
fine.
didn't. Yeah, it was a problem.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah.
Wait, what is win main?
Oh, yeah, that's like the main function. Like.
What?
You don't need that if. Yeah, you don't need that if.
Let's see.
But if you want,
Choose the-
like. Because I had at some point like this overlay thing I wanted to do, but then it was
nice.
a Windows, so but there you need like the H instance.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, we can continue. We can
okay, I'll
continue.
resume the time.
Import space automatically interaction to database. Wait, great. I will stick along to learn something too. Yeah, cool. We'll need additional import space and SDK for interacting with the database, handling the credential, and managing events. Alright, sure. Let's get this. And find the main function. I think, yes, that will be good. Let's see, I'm gonna skip this one real quick.
Perfect.
Connect to the database. I'm not really sure how it understands to connect here. I haven't provided it anything. Unless it's this thing. Like, how does it know where to connect to? That's what I would like to know. Like, I haven't said anything about where, what, whatever. Doesn't matter. Run in the response database event, register callbacks, subscribe to SQL queries in order to tables, spawn.
Harold, I think
Yeah, let's
you
do more
can't play
Vulkan,
the Windows
exactly.
error sound effect because you don't have it on there.
Oh damn.
Spawn a thread where
Wait, what?
connection will
Wait,
process
are you
message and
doing
invoke
Vulkan now,
callback.
Lucas?
What? What did you say?
What did you say with Vulkan?
We're
Probably
gonna-
you're doing OpenGL.
Yeah. To begin, we will do OpenGL, but we will be doing Vulkan.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make a basic connection work, and then we should be able to. Let's see. It's gonna be a bit interesting how, because I think we'll have to get to me actually hosting this somewhere, and I'm not even sure how to do that, but we'll get to it. We'll get to it. Connect to the database. A connection to the SpacetimeDB database is represented by DB connection. You configure DB connection using the builder pattern by calling DB builder chaining method calls to set various connection patterns.
I got icons.
I also got icons. I also got
okay.
Call
icons.
to build.
But I also have to declare
Oh,
everything
yeah.
myself.
Following options. On connect callback to run when the remote database acknowledged.
But I have ChatGPT, so.
On connect error callback.
Like,
to
I'm
run.
just looking at the Windows documentation right now.
Ah, that looks more like it. Now, this makes sense.
Yeah.
This is logical. Maybe here.
But, like, I don't even know what we can do with a message box, bro.
There's like a shit ton of stuff you can do. You can do like yes, no, retry, and a bunch of shit. I guess you can make like a
Like set any OpenID connect.
something. I don't know.
Token.
Ah,
More complex
this
application
shit
will
is
generate
hard,
authenticate
bro.
their users somehow generate or retrieve a token and attaches to the connection with token. In our case, though we connect anonymously first time, let Spacetime generate a fresh identity and correspond JWT for us and save the token locally to reuse the next time. We don't care about that for now. The Rust SDK provides a pair of functions in file save and load for saving and storing the credential in file. Default save and load will look for credentials. Wait, have I? Bruh. Got distracted. I have. What is it called that you get from when you go train and you get like this on your hands? You know, the thing that is satisfying to pull off.
Source.
Source?
Oh, skin.
Yeah, skin. It's like.
Yeah.
You know. Anyways. The Rust SDK provides a pair of functions file save load for saving storing these credentials in file. By default, save and load will look for credentials in home. Drag well, which should be unintrusive. If saving our credential fails, we will print a message but otherwise continue even though the user won't be able to reconnect with the same identity. It can still normally. Okay. Cred store. Okay. Well, I guess we don't really have any credentials that I want to store, but we can still add them. Just because, why not? I'm not concerned, I'm just concerned about making a connection. And why would you say this when you could literally just reuse DB name or this? You literally put the same string there. Bruh.
Okay.
Anyways, handle errors disconnect. We need to handle connection errors disconnection by printing appropriate message and callbacks error. Alright, let's take those in there too. That's a bit of a... Okay. Let's go with it. Register callbacks. We need to handle several sorts of events. When a new user joins, we print a message introducing them. When a user is updated, we print their new name or declare their new online server. Yeah, I don't have that, but that's okay. Okay, but now it's getting a bit annoying that I actually can't see any like Rust intelligence. Like, I don't want to compile this and try to figure out bugs. They should show here already. Actually, I don't have anything to do here. I'm not gonna insert anything, so it's a bit of a bye. That's how we spell space-time. You have both Rust Analyzer, Rust Lang Analyzer, and Rust. Okay, but these are known to conflict cause. Okay, so it's probably because of this. So we'll just disable this one because apparently like, why doesn't this complain at all? That's so annoying. I would like to see some complaints there. Like, that shouldn't. Bruh, this is so annoying. Yeah, I'm not really on insert, on update. I'm not insert. Message received printed. Okay, this is actually something though. Let's see. Let's close all of these, go to here, and then we go to here, we go here. I don't really care about that when we can do this. So when you connect, I don't care about inserting it, but what I do care about is just saying something. Producers. Where's my damn intelligence? Like, where is it? It's not here. It's just... What? Why is it not here? Why can I not just see these things? Like, what the fuck? Let me just go to extensions and just disable all of them. Except for the... No, keep that off. That one I will keep on.
Bro,
Save.
I'm spending so much time right now and it will not work out, then I'm not happy.
Yes. Bro, I'm just making rappers.
Yeah, I don't need to do it. That's kind of nice, not gonna lie.
Why can I not just see any Rust intelligence? Like, why is Rust so bad? Like, the only extension I
Because
have is literally Rust language support for Visual Studio Code. That's all I have, and it doesn't work.
You're asking for too much, Lucas.
It is stupid. I had dropped 50% of my frames. I hope that the live is still actually live.
Please work. Oh.
Actually, I can't see shit. The quality is so good, you know? Damn, look at that.
Wait, it worked.
Oh,
6
Do I
it was a
right?
program error.
It worked, it worked.
39. No, it's actually 3 minutes delayed. Holy shit. That's not good. What is telling? You may have to download. If you download, just to download the right extensions. You shouldn't download the Rust extension. You should download the Rust analyzer. You can. Yes, that I got. But like for real, like why can it not just? Let's see, I'm gonna. Like it doesn't know even what this DB connection is. Well, I guess. Oh no, that should come from bindings. And bindings, oh my god, it should know that it comes from here. Just get through that.
Need to think.
Just restart code. No? Still nothing. Like, it doesn't know shit. It's completely, like, clueless. It doesn't know what this is. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this is. Go to definition. Go to declaration. Install binary rust up. Oh no, do I need something like rust up? What do I have? But I have rust up. Apparently.
It works, it works! It fucking works now, bro. This is goated. Okay.
for program persistence for performance script. If you're new to Rust, you want to learn language online book is a great place to start. This topic goes in detail about setting up Rust within Visual Studio Code Rust extension. Install Rust. First you'll need to Rust tools installed machine. Yes, I have that. Install Rust Analyzer. Yeah, done.
Oh, I need to think. I need to think.
Rust, you get full Rust documentation set local hello world. Everything seems to be correct, but yet when I try to do anything really, it just doesn't. It should be Rust Analyzer there. Let's see, here's something. Rust runners failed to fetch workspace. Failed to discover workspace. Consider adding cargo tome of workspace. It's probably because it's taking it from the wrong path. Yes. I mean, I guess I could do this. Wouldn't like it, but it would work. Let's see. Boom. Move.
That fucking annoys me, bro. That fucking annoys me.
Still doesn't. I would have been pretty sure it should have known. But yeah, I don't want this to be outside anyways. I'm just gonna keep them there. I prefer them there. And then Roscoe move my guy. I still don't actually know what space I do. What is it different from normal database? A normal database is like more or less it's a normal database. It's supposed to be quick and easy just to query stuff, you know, and you get them and they store there in the non-volatile memory. But Spacetime is more or less, it's like a game server at the same time as it's a database. So it's well, yeah, you just basically use it as a game server. So here, when you create all of these things, you can create like when players do calls, like they press inputs or whatnot, they do some spell shit, you can send a call to the database that now this player did this thing, and then you can look in your tables where you have all of the game data, the game state basically that's going on, and just do the correct, you can query the stuff that you need to make shit happens, and then you will send out the new information to the players all the time. That's the point of this. Well, on a traditional database like MySQL, I mean, I guess you could do this, but you would have to create the game server and you would then have to query these things and it would be slow because MySQL is not optimized for like this kind of like pattern. Of course, it's still optimized to query stuff quickly, but it's not optimized for this kind of game thinking. So, yeah. Usually, traditionally, you have like a game server which has game logic, and when it needs to, it takes something from a database and then it sends it back. But now you can think it's all like in one package, like the database is the game server at the same time. But yeah, what was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, I'm still trying to just get this fucking Rust shit working, but sadly they don't have any other bindings, so the best binding is sadly Rust. So I have to learn Rust, and now I'm just trying to get the damn LSP working. Yup. That's not what I wanted to say. Thank God it didn't send. Worst terminal ever, I'm telling you. The rule means Rust analysts can't find. Failed to Rust analysts cards of route if you can't find one node to fetch here, so you can fetch the workspace. Tell cargo. Go to your folder. Yes. It's missing. Okay. Cargo in it, but it's the great cargo tome. Source. It's supposed. Wow, look at that, crazy. I don't know what's happening. Cargo init will create a tome and a source main, but the thing is, if it's supposed to be a library, if your repo, sometimes the real Rust project is subfolder. Yes. Look around for yes.
Harold,
That diagram editor instead.
Yeah.
What does the time say?
Yeah, that's it. 18 minutes.
But I have like 2 cargo.
I'm
but I'm
cooked.
concerned about this cargo.
Wait,
maybe.
18 minutes left.
Yeah.
Space time.
Oh, hell no. Like, I have one cool feature, but
I have no cool features, bro. I'm trying to make a wrapper, but it's not working because Windows sucks. Deja, you can look at my stream if you want. Like, just look at my stream, okay? This is horrendous.
bro, you don't know what's for what I'm doing. I have variables called ID2 with like numbers in it, bro, and I like.
Yeah, but like my shit doesn't work for some reason. Like it's pretty scuffed. Like look at it. Like come on, look at my stream.
Wait.
Hey, yo!
Hey.
Even said this is create a cargo workspace at the roots if you want to. Is that all I have to do? Okay.
Did you find looking?
No. Wait a sec. Should I look? I will look in 18 minutes, okay?
Yes. Yeah, okay, well, I'll probably remove it. But anyways, what you gotta know is that my shit works in my main function, but it doesn't work in a sub-function for some reason.
Okay.
Yeah, for no reason at all.
So, in short, skill issue, so you use spacetime, right? No, I think it's just way better to use that than traditional, like, multiplayer. Or, like...
Okay, fire.
That's why I use, because it just makes sense. Like then you can, through client, you can subscribe to specific tables and specific sections of a table and just get notified on the information that you need. You don't need, like, it's kind of like it's way better to handle the things, you know? The only thing I hate is still writing it in Rust. The game logic will have to be written in Rust, while the client can still be written in Zig. Or not the renderer. The client still also has to be written in Rust so far, but it's okay. So what's wrong with this now? Failed handler text. What if I just remove that one? Can I just...
Wait, Harold, we have 15 minutes left, okay? We have 15 minutes left, right?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not the smartest. I should have known that. But I thought it would have done it for me. Let's see. Handler failed. File not found. Home. What do you mean file not found? It's right here. Am I actually that stupid? Wait, how do they work? They have like... They don't have workspace. They just have package. And then dependency.
Okay.
Optional add. I mean, that's so weird. I have no idea how Rust works, and this is just... bleh. See, debug confirm the files exist. Well, Yeah, they do exist. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. Check the
Never
editor
fuckers.
root. Rust and will expect their. Oh, what? Why would it? They're not in. Wait, what? Why would it expect? So I move it in here instead? That makes no sense. Error notification handler. It still says the same thing, but now I don't need this. And what does it say now? Error not handler failed. Not found. Cargo. Wait. It's inside. Wait, what? Does it need in both of them? I don't know how this works. This is so weird. Humble. Now let's say space time. Yeah. You can have microtransactions. Yay! Yay! No. Why? How do I? This sucks ass. This sucks so much ass. So this is the server one, right? Yes. Oh my god. Was it supposed to? Heal. I just need something I can show me, like, what the fuck is this? How does this work? Well, Rust seems like pain, but I think it's worth. Yeah, it's sadly wonders that's the only language SpacetimeDB does provide. So, or it does provide also C# but and TypeScript. But we're not doing TypeScript, and C# is like I'm just gonna do Rust. The file is missing from your project directory. Space and modules written in Rust requires valid cargo tone file present. Cargo new server no. Ensure that you. So it's ensure that in the correct project directory, if the file is missing, you can create a new Rust project using cargo new server. Or if you are starting a space. Server root slash server. Should I just write cargo in it? For the server module is located, but you're looking tooling a command are being run from the different directory like the project root, you need to specify the correct path building a pub. Using spacetime still I use project path argument to point to your server module direct root. But I did that. Do I have to still do this? That's just stupid. And that's not no. That's still fine. Because if I go to build, this is literally it. You have to, so I have to provide that. Okay. Let's see, I will just remove these ones. Not rename, delete. Move to trash, bye bye, and delete that one. Move to trash. Wow, that's crazy. And let's do this. Sigma. Fetch workspace. This is so fun.
Harold, how much time is left?
Actually, 7 minutes.
Okay, this could actually really fit well if I don't fuck up.
Let's see. So I don't have information to provide sources about the specific fetch works with Rust Analyzer. Okay, that's fine. I can build a fetch cargo space method. Let's troubleshoot workspace. Syntax are missing dependencies or invalid workspace section can prevent Rust Analyzer from parsing project Rust toolshed. If cargo itself can't resolve dependencies, Rust Analyzer fails. Corrupted build cache. All build artifacts log files may cause conflicts. Missing. Oh. Run these commands to in your project. Check cargo metadata. If this fails, Grosel will fail to fix the. Okay. From the root. I think I'm in the root. Yes. Could not find cargo tome in. Okay. Update Rust toolchain. Yes. Rust analysis to since there is no cargo tome in your project, directly apparent why this happens. Rust binary should have if the workspace the root cargo must have how to fix cargo init. Okay, let's just write that. But I don't want a freaking main here. I have my own main. Yes, I do. So I'm not gonna keep that here. Let's see, then it's spacetime slash client.
Wow. Did phone was found. But now it's just stupid that it doesn't. Okay, that's a way better error though. Oh, Harold, this code is so fucking ass.
It's fine.
string unknown GNU. Failed status error main cargo. Visited at caused by no target specified in manifest. Can I just do this? And then do another. I don't really care about anything else, I just want to get those loaded.
Wait.
Okay. It's there. Maybe. It seems to be green. And let's see now if I go to something like okay. It's stuff is there. So now if oh look at that! Oh, it's red! Are you guys seeing it? It's red. It's pretty red. So now if I do something funny as saying CTX, guys, I'm rusting. Oh, look at that! There it is. Oof.
Oh, let's hope you're not rusty, though.
What?
Let's
Boom.
hope you're not rusty.
Haha, stop being funny. Okay, but so it was just a weird reload. Unresolved imports, spacetime. If you wanted to use create names, but use cargo, add to.
Oh, hell no. Oh, I forgot something.
It's okay. But we don't need to register fallbacks. Yeah, I don't know. We don't really need to care about too much about anything, to be honest. We don't. Because we don't need a... We don't need to keep track of any of these things. We don't need this. And we don't need that. On. And we don't care about this. We don't care about that. Notify about nah. And well, I guess this could actually be quite interesting.
I fucked up.
Hmm. But we don't care about subscribed tables, because we're not gonna subscribe to any tables. All we're gonna do is just in here, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, and well, we won't do it. I don't think I even have that. That's funny. Set, no, I don't even have that. So I mean, we could do something funny here, but we're not gonna do something funny. And here, what we instead we can do here is just dot say hello. We're not even gonna do anything
TGF, stop.
Yeah. Stop. Wait, can we add 5 more minutes, please?
Yes,
Oh, no.
yeah, okay, we can add 5 more minutes. Wait, don't do anything. Just put timer. I also need 5 more minutes to test stuff. So
And I think the server should
Okay,
be
yeah,
fine.
okay, 5 minutes from now.
Yes, the server should be
Okay.
fine. Don't know about this thing though. Unresolved import. If you wanted to use a crate. Well, we'll see. We'll compile it and we'll see how bad it breaks. Just wanna see a quick at the beginning, because that was where they recommended or told us to. I swear they told us to get this somewhere. Am I hallucinating? Oh, this is the wrong one. No, what? Okay, I'm actually hallucinating. Where did I get this crazy idea from? Do I need any of this? Well, obviously something uses this, but where does it come from? Use space time. Something is using it, but I don't know how. Use cargo add. And this is inside of client, so I'm assuming something like this. Let's see how bad it breaks.
Okay, Harold, I think I'm finished. I don't know if it works, so I need to play test it real quick.
Yeah, it is.
But I thought this was already in here. Space-time. Oh. It's... Oh. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, it should already be there, but it should be like this. Not... I'm joking. Is it just because of the versions incompatibility? I have no idea. Ah, okay, now it's fine. Yeah, whatever. A few warnings or something. I don't know, man. They're not used. That's why. But that's okay. I don't know how to build this thing. Can you build Rust projects with Zig's build system? Right, you can.
No, well, you can, I guess, but it's super complicated.
But we should do that. Good.
Yeah,
But
you can
Rust
do it, but
build
you gotta
system
like
is
run
really good.
commands with like b add system command or something.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Sure.
Good. Well, this is the one that I'm curious now. Publish them. Wait, what the fuck?
Okay, yeah, Harold, I'm finished.
The time is still not over.
Yeah. Just want to tell you, you know.
Yes.
And then cargo run. Is that how you do it? Run.
I'm excited for what you cooked, Harold.
Yes.
Bro, this was crazy.
That's a lot of
Oh wait,
beautiful
sorry,
errors.
Cheesecake, I just saw your message now. What are we even doing? You asked it 1 hour ago. Yeah, so Cheesecake, we are both using can only use Windows API without like a normal window on Linux with Wine, and I don't know, create something, a game style. Yeah, that's what we've been doing. But we can't create a window like a normal window.
Yeah. As long as we get this thing right. Generate Rust out directory client source module project server. That should be all fine. And it should overwrite all of those. I could probably delete them as well, but no. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna do that. Run it again.
It's over. Okay, wait. I'm just
Okay,
gonna play
okay.
my game once.
Yeah. You're good.
Yeah,
Do you want to
this
publish your game on GitHub and I too and
Uh,
like
Sure,
so
I guess it's
each-
like not very good.
so like we can both experience, like mine is also not very good,
Yeah,
I
good.
Oh, it's a mod. It's still this thing. I don't understand. Why would it be This is also generated. Like I'm not even doing these things. It just says that yeah. Too bad. 220. This thing. Finding for missing try connect implementation. Not alterated into the try connect. Try connect ID. Bruh. But I don't. Do I have to implement on the server something like that? Is that why it's complaining? Maybe that's why. Bruh, I don't wanna do that.
Okay, Harold, can I safely watch your stream now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Also, I
my
push it
God.
to GitHub so you can build it and stuff.
Yeah.
And there's a run.shell script.
Yeah, I will also.
Connect, bit connect, and disconnect. On user insert. I don't care about that though. I just want a simple connect.
Okay, yeah, mine's on GitHub. Oh man.
Right. Connect to DB. This I already got though, so like I don't understand why it wouldn't just work. I don't
I'll send the link to my repo.
I already have it.
Okay, great. I'm gonna
wait,
find
should I
yours and then we
start?
can build. Yeah, you can start. I'll watch your stream.
Zig build one just.
You just do Zig build and then you can do the. Actually, no, you just run the shell script.
Oh, shell
I don't have a
script.
single try connect implementation. Why would it ask for that? How's it going? It's going bad. What's up, Yoshi boy?
Oh
The
yeah, you
stream
might have
is
to
3
change it
minutes
up because
delay
it's
or
like
something
super
like
hard
that,
coded.
so yeah.
You just change it out to Zig. Or
Oh,
wherever
yeah,
you're
because-
storing it.
Yeah, I think because it should
Yeah.
work, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's see. I'm very excited for
Yeah.
what you did because I had so little ideas.
Bro, my idea is pretty good. I managed to cook up a game somehow in like 20 minutes. Like 40 minutes was just like
Yeah, I
studying,
also have a
finding
game.
garbage. Yeah.
But okay.
Wait, your
clicker
window.
game. No,
Yeah.
clicker game is so good.
Wait, your stream is super low quality. Can you restart it?
Yeah. Wait, Lucas. Do you maybe
Because you
want
gotta
to
watch
pause
That's
this
a
your stream.
also Damon? Damon, you both?
No,
Do
no,
you
wait,
both
what?
maybe-
What happened?
I'm so close to getting this working with just Rust, so I want to focus on this.
I haven't been listening to anything.
That's fine. Damon, watch this stream.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is a clicker game. Press retry to get more points.
Oh, did you send this for Harold?
This
If
is
you
I'm
press
ready.
ignore, you lose, and sometimes it will auto select to it. Okay.
Alright. Okay, what could go wrong?
So
Yeah.
you shouldn't press ignore.
Yeah, don't press ignore, then you lose.
Retry. Okay. Bro, you know what?
No, you gotta press ignore. You have to.
No, Harold, I also thought about using the free bot retry ignore thing for mine because I would have
Yeah.
needed 3 buttons, but you see it is okay, but
Yeah. It's more meant to be used to press enter, but I guess you use your mouse really
wait,
like for the most part.
what if I press enter? Wait, but now is it selected?
Just
with
press ignore. Just press ignore.
Yeah, try
Oh, you
pressing.
can.
Wait, what? Why is ignore not working?
Wait, no, I didn't press ignore. Wait, should I press
Oh.
ignore?
You can try press ignoring. Yeah.
Play again. Yo, this is fire that you have the board. Final. Oh.
Yeah, bro. I actually cooked. Like, look at this source in the source file also. It's so banger.
Okay. Oh, bro, you had declaration. Wait. How long is
Yeah,
it?
but it's not too bad. This is the entire
Yeah.
game. And it's super memory efficient. Like, it's literally 128 bytes, which is way too much in
Oh,
reality. I could
You see
literally get away
mine?
with 32.
You will
Okay,
cry.
I will try, man.
Okay, wait, Windows. Okay, I see why
You
true
see this?
loop. Okay. Bro, this is, but it's fine, but
No,
yeah.
it's still there.
Yeah, okay, I'll play your game now.
Okay. Bro, my GitHub repository name is some insane shit.
Forget, we should do this sometime else. This was banger.
Yeah, but yeah, it was kind of crazy because of yes, you just need to like just to make and it will. Oh, you need to install the compiler, right? Because
Which one?
just try if you can wait. Oh yeah, right. I think on Ubuntu it's spelled a little bit differently, so you probably need to just do sudo apt install and then mingw-w
Wait,
64.
Ming GW.
Yeah, exactly. And then
Oh.
dash, no wait, dash, yeah, W64. Yeah, like this should exist. Okay, never mind. Oh no, MinGW, not with a D. The D is not with a D. Yeah. No, with a G, but not with a D. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Wait, maybe I ask AI. Oh
I
yeah,
didn't think
it's
about that though.
probably spelled. Okay. Yeah, but I don't even. And then just replace that in the make file later.
Yeah.
Yeah, on Arch it's like a little bit of a different package. That's why.
So much shit, bro. Oh, well, it's semi-useful to have, I guess.
Yeah, bro, I just so shitty. It's insane, but yeah.
Yeah, it's so nice that I can use Zig, you know. But can't you use Clang though? I don't know. Probably
Bro, I
not.
just yeah, Clang is a good point. Not gonna lie. Wait, maybe I will try really quick. I didn't think about that. I asked AI, yo, how can I run a C game, a C application?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it works, so I just stuck with it.
Yeah, no, I get it. But like, still, I love Zig because like I did not need to do anything in the build. I just have this shitty ass.
Yeah, like if
run
you look
.sh.
at my make file,
Yeah,
like in
wait.
the time you can download. Don't look at the code yet. You can look at the code when you page. So just look
Wow,
at the
that's
make
not a
file.
lot of files.
Yeah, I even have the Excel. So you see that's also like pretty.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, trust me, the code is like I was speedrunning so hard. Don't look at it yet. Don't look at it. It's
So weird. I don't understand. Like, why would it? I have something wrong with the version auto generating shit because this is so weird. I don't understand. Using engineering bindings code collecting TP context try to have method called try.
would be
but
crazy
the
if there is a way we could do
bind
it.
vice versa. This mismatch typically. The version of the CLI space on generate and space on SDK create specific term are not the same. Generated bindings. Use run space on version Oh, the version it prints.
I hope my thing works on your machine, bro.
Yeah, me too.
Like it's not so crazy, so, and my playtest is also not so good, so.
It's fine. Well, what did you think about my game?
Not gonna lie, a clicker is really good. Like really, really good.
Yeah, but if
thing.
you click like a lot, then you basically just get epilepsy because it's like blinking because you can't change the text. But it's fine.
Yeah. Not gonna lie, you could have done so much more if you really just didn't stick for the boxes.
Yeah,
But-
I know.
No, bro, at some point, bro, I had something where you like could get the pixels on the screen and actively draw on your screen without a window, and I thought, bro, that would be insane. But it didn't work because it would get like your real screen. Okay, yeah, okay.
Damn, okay, I have this. The following game will only be with message boxes. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know. I like the title.
Ah.
Bro,
I
okay.
just had the same title. You must answer quickly. Okay.
Bro, that doesn't even matter anymore.
Yeah, no.
Wait,
What?
wait, now, wait. That's the cool thing. You don't
Huh?
even need to click. You don't need to click.
Okay.
I spawn a thread, and before that, when it waits 1 second.
uh,
I should probably get latest.
okay.
Upgrade.
Yeah, but you just need to choose it in your mind. I hope you have a number.
Okay. I'll pick a number, wait. Yeah. The
If
chef.
Yeah, if it is your number, you need to press escape.
What? How did you cook up that? What? What the? You press escape? Okay.
Yeah, it was in the message boxes, but there was so much information that's like.
Yo, that's pretty fire.
But look at the code.
Not
It's
gonna
such
lie,
a mess.
that's fire. But like that, okay, I'm just gonna say that game was actually fire. It's like, it was mind bending, not gonna lie.
It's mine.
Like, how did you even manage to cook this up, bro? Okay. Damn, you got, like, what? You have an actual wrapper. Like, I tried to make a wrapper like this, but then it was like, yeah, no.
Bro, I just made
But
it
okay.
because like I needed so many message boxes, and I thought, okay,
There's
like,
so much code here, bro.
yeah, but also
Like, if you go to my, there's
Yeah.
like 62 lines. There's double here. Damn. And I also have like declarations and shit.
But
Like,
did you
this
see
is
the
serious.
escape was so easy? Like it was just with the get is and key state and just worked.
Okay.
So like, yeah,
It's from, we'll go from main. Why is the win main so?
I don't know.
What is this, bro?
You
How does this work?
I think because
Why does this
Windows
work?
doesn't launch it like directly. It's so weird. But yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's spacetime.
But yeah, I've been thinking about the countdown and how the countdown works. It basically spawns a new thread, and then the thread, because otherwise it would block the message block box would block
Yo.
the thread. So then
yeah, true.
after 1 second, the the new thread sends a signal to the window that it should close. That's
Yeah,
kind of
that's
fire.
cool.
Guys,
Yeah, that is fire, bro. Like
I-
you cooked more than me. Yes, Lucas.
I got the basic connection working now, but okay. Now I can see
Okay,
what, now I
okay.
can
No,
see
it's
what,
very cool to show. No, okay, but let's.
now see what have you guys done? What have you cooked? Who
Huh?
should I watch? Steve or Harold?
I'm not even sure if it.
Sure, you can watch mine, I guess.
Yeah, I'm watching
Yeah.
you
I
now.
played the chef's game again.
Okay, show what you're doing right now.
Now we're
So we
finished.
basically made a game with only Windows API message boxes. So this is the chef's game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Windows
So,
API.
the following game will only be you must answer quickly. Also, Lucas. Yeah, no, let's see.
Okay.
By the way, this you must answer quickly. That isn't completely needed anymore.
Yeah, no, it's totally useless.
Okay.
It was just because there was, bro. It's crazy, bro.
Yo,
if you
something
press
ringing.
cancel, there will also be a dialogue. Like you
Oh,
can
nice.
actually quit the game at this point. Like if you press
Nah.
cancel, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So the game is a number guesser game, but in the reversed order. Okay, there was no order. I just added it. You know,
Nah, like
Yeah.
yeah,
no. Normally you need to guess the number that the computer was thinking of, but now the
Yeah.
computer is guessing your number. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
yeah. But yeah, you give it some hints, you know. So Lucas, choose a number.
Yeah, in your
69.
mind.
Y-
Okay.
Okay, great. Uh, uh-huh. Okay. So, is your no?
Yeah.
Yes. No.
And then if it's yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 69
Yeah.
fire. Okay, see ya.
Yeah, that's the game. Teacher,
Amazing.
show my game.
Yeah. By the way, Harold, you know, I've been
Well.
thinking because I need these 3 buttons that maybe I should like I've been thinking if I
Wait,
should use this like a board with by cancel.
I guess, but like, yeah.
But yeah, it just
escape was
wouldn't
cool.
fit in. Yeah,
Okay.
like I
Yeah,
thought
it wouldn't.
it wouldn't fit in if I say yeah, press retry for lower and escape and for this. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Also, Lucas, keep in mind, my game is like Tejev's game is 120 lines. Mine is 60 lines, and I also declare like all
Yeah.
the constants for the Windows stuff.
Damn.
The power of Zig, am I
Right.
right?
True,
Why
true,
is it?
true.
Oh, I just
Uh,
need to run
you
it.
just
Yeah,
run,
so
yeah.
So can you read it?
No.
It's a bit unreadable.
Bit
Okay,
unreadable.
I just read it. This is a clicker game. Press retry to get more points. If you press ignore, you lose some, and sometimes it will auto select to it. And you will
Okay.
lose, bro. Yeah.
What a
Okay, retry.
crazy game.
Right enter.
The point is that you basically just
Oh.
press, yeah.
Oh,
See?
yo, bro, this is actually fire, man.
For some reason it does it like so often. I did not mean to do that. It's just
Yeah.
okay. Okay, you know, the random
yeah.
generation is just like it's just a modulo.
Oh,
I should probably have changed that so it's better, but oh well.
So wait, there's
It's
random where
okay,
it goes.
yeah, but it's not really random. It's just like modulo 11, but apparently that's just like every other. But yeah. But if you
I'm
press
gonna farm
ignore,
this shit.
yeah, it's super fun game. But they should press ignore so you can show Lucas.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you lose, and then you can press OK, and then you can choose to play the game again.
Yeah, this is
Shit.
actually fire. You know, I didn't have time to do it for my game.
Yeah, nah, this is super fire, bro. Yeah.
That's peak game.
Bro,
So
but it
that-
was
those
so
are the-
scuffed.
yeah. I don't know, like I kinda liked Shiv's game more. It was more fun.
That's awesome.
Mine was like
But-
very repetitive.
Not gonna lie, Harold, when we do that again, we need to do it like with a 2D, like maybe with Waylib or something, you know?
Nah. I think we should only allow ourselves to use the game can only be controlled through your mouse lights, I think.
Oh, that would also be cool, you know? Like,
Oh yeah, or only your keyboard, you know. Keyboard lights.
maybe
I don't
then
know if
other
that's
people
impossible.
could also take part in a challenge like this, you know? I think it would be even more fun. to do
Yeah,
with
bro, we
more
should have
people.
the stupid ass game. Yeah, that should be the name.
Yeah, just imagine, like, yeah, Lucas will also join Damon.
That.
Yes, but because we just post a picture of himself.
Yes.
Yes. So Lucas, what have you been
Harold.
cooking up?
What
Yes,
have
dude.
I have
Trust
basically been
a
cooking
game
up.
in 1 hour with Vulcan.
It I haven't even gotten to
Nice.
Vulcan yet, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait. It's the 29th today. Okay. So what I've been cooking up is this basically that I figured out that I used the wrong spacetime version on my computer, so I had to update it because there was wrong errors. Then I learned about cargo tunnel in Rust
Bruh.
because I had to fix everything in here.
Uh,
But now the cool thing that we can do is that we can run a client like this, boom, and then here's the server. You can see the logs here. You know, there is this is from the old run, and then no matter what you type, it will print hello world from the client. So I can start another client probably, and well, you won't know which client it's what, but you know, I can do many of these, and then you will see many hello worlds. That's crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
But we need to figure out how to connect Zig and Rust.
Yeah.
But I think it won't be a problem because it's kind of like the only thing that will be Zig is the renderer, right? So we just have to make a external draw or something like that. Yeah. All right. That's gonna be it.
Right.
I'm gonna sleep, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a
That is. Yep, sleep
exam
time.
for physics that I have been practicing so hard
I
for.
also have a math exam.
Sure. I have that the day after tomorrow. Very fun. All right. That's it.
I have a German exam the day after tomorrow.
Bruh.
But okay, yeah.
All right. Bye bye. See you guys. Tomorrow we'll do
Yeah.
more.
See ya.
Also,
Yep,
one
tomorrow,
thing.
1 more hour every day.
1 more hour every day.